Good morning, traders. John Caruso coming to you here for the morning of July 21st. We're going to take a peek at the currencies so far this session. As we come into this week, here we are Tuesday, very light week so far on the economic front, economic news front. But we have seen a big rally here in the U.S. dollar over the past week. We've seen about a 240-point rally since last Monday. As we come into this session, we are seeing the dollar take a little bit of a breather here, down 72 at 97.43. We are sitting right on a support bar at the moment. The next support level comes in down around 97.12. Perhaps we're seeing some downside here in the equity markets. Dow's off about 200 points. The S&P's down about 9 points. But going into the close, that could all reverse as we do hear from Apple. Apple reports earnings after the session. So we'll see what happens there. Perhaps also contributing to the downside in the U.S. dollar this morning, we did hear from the BOJ suggesting that they are starting to experience a slight uptick in inflation, as well as the need for further economic stimulus is certainly not needed at the moment over in Japan. So the yen's catching a little bit of a bid right now. It's at 80.77. That's up 27 points. Again, the yen's been oversold here in the near term over the past few sessions, so catching a little bounce. Certainly the path of least resistance in the U.S. dollar is still very much to the upside. But if you are trying to play that market to the upside, you want to identify the trading range. Right now, the top end of that range comes in around 98. The low end of the range comes in around 95.56. So if we want to remain bullish on the U.S. dollar, you want to look at buying at the bottom end of the range, booking profits at the top end of the range. Inversely, looking at the euro, near-term oversold down in the bottom half of the 108 handle. So we are catching a strong bid in the euro right now, up 110. Trading at 109.46 at the moment. But again, the dollar still very much remains in charge. So when you do see it fall to the bottom half of that trading range, you certainly want to be looking at becoming bullish on the U.S. dollar, unless there's some substantial shift in fundamentals moving forward. So that's all I have for you now. If you'd like some more specifics on some of the other foreign currencies, give me a call. Once again, I'm John Caruso. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk. It may not be suitable for all investors.